In this video, we'll show you how to properly apply UltraFix Pro adhesive. Ensure you work in a well-ventilated area or outdoors and wear protective gloves and goggles. Before using UltraFix Pro, shake the can vigorously at least 30 times, or for approximately 7 seconds. This ensures that the adhesive is properly mixed for optimal performance. After shaking, remove the safety cap. Depending on your preferred application method, you can either attach the adhesive gun or use the provided applicator straw. For the gun, screw the can onto the gun while keeping the can upside down. Adjust the flow regulator on the gun to control the adhesive output. For the straw, insert the straw into the nozzle of the can, press down gently, and rotate it until it is secure in place. Now, you can start to apply the adhesive evenly along the seaming tape, moving steadily to ensure uniform coverage. Keep the nozzle close to the surface and apply in a controlled, consistent motion to prevent gaps or excess buildup. Avoid over-applying, as too much adhesive can slow down the curing process and affect the final bond quality. Make sure to move once back and forth over the seaming tape for a strong bond. After applying the adhesive, immediately spray a fine mist of water over both the adhesive and the seaming tape. We advise this step as it activates the bonding process for a strong and durable connection. Align the two pieces of artificial turf carefully, ensuring the seam is straight and properly positioned. Once aligned, press down firmly along the entire seam to ensure full contact between the adhesive and turf backing. For best results, use your feet or a seam roller to apply even pressure along the length of the joint. You have up to 10 minutes to make any final adjustments before the adhesive starts setting. The adhesive will fully cure within 24 hours, ensuring a durable and secure bond. After using UltraFix Pro, cleaning the adhesive gun is essential for maintaining functionality. If you are switching cans, clean the screw-on area and nozzle with UltraFix Cleaner. If there is remaining glue in the can, keep the gun attached to the can, close the regulator, and clean the tip. Store upright with the gun attached to ensure it stays usable for months. If you do not plan to attach a new can right away, you must clean the entire gun to prevent adhesive buildup from rendering it unusable. To do this, screw the UltraFix Cleaner onto the gun and pull the trigger until no adhesive remains inside. This process takes about a minute. Afterward, spray and clean both the gun socket and the nozzle to ensure the gun remains in optimal condition. If it accidentally falls onto artificial grass or another surface, it can be removed using UltraFix Cleaner. Spray the affected area generously and wipe it with a cloth while the adhesive is still wet. Acting quickly will ensure an easier and more effective cleanup. That's it. Choose efficiency, choose comfort, choose UltraFix Pro. Stick with the best.